Welcome to Focus. We're in Senegal. For several years, the country has been reforming, boosting the entrepreneurial scene and business climate. They want an emerging Senegal with sustainable growth which benefits everyone. As you'll soon see, the results are very promising. Almost deserted 5 years ago, this area is like a second capital at the gate of the real capital, with housing, administrative, health, education, recreation infrastructures, and this international industrial platform, particularly dynamic. More than €3.5 million were invested into this textile factory. 300 people have been recruited and trained, with 300% more employees by the end of the year. And there's good reason that this Chinese company has chosen the special economic zone of Diamniadio. It benefits from many advantages, tax exemptions and customs facilities. It also benefits directly from the new transport infrastructure.
We export 80% of our produce, so it's very important for us to have flexibility on the roads, but also access to the seaport and the airport.
The launch of a new regional train is already impacting the country's economy. A Senegalese SME has been contracted for the construction of the line that will first connect Dakar to Diamniadio. It will then extend to the new airport, Blaise Diagne. How will this contract change the company?
This contract has allowed us to get new orders to hire many more people.
And develop expertise?
It's helped develop know-how and new manufacturing techniques.
How many jobs were created?
120.
For its administrative facilities, this SME, like all companies in the country, now uses a paperless payment and tax return system. What is the benefit of a system like this for a company like yours?
Saving time particularly, because before I needed a day to make the statements. Now, in 5 minutes, payments are settled.
And is it reliable?
It's reliable, no risk of error, and at lower cost to the company.
This is one of the key tools for improving the business climate here in Senegal. The brand new Dakar Commercial Court, created little over a year ago, already more than 4,500 cases have been settled. For this lawyer, one of the best known in Dakar, this court has a positive effect on the economy because once again, it saves valuable time.
We are no longer waiting for 3 months, 1 year, 2 years to conclude a court case. Within a maximum of 3 months, we have a binding court decision.
The head of APIX, an agency for the promotion of investments and major works, is confident that the country will continue to reform.
Trust us. Come and invest in Senegal, a country that's following a stable trajectory, which has led to reforms that mean the country has risen by 46 places in the Protecting Investors indicator of the Doing Business ranking. To go further, we need to increase the attractiveness and competitiveness of Senegal as a financial destination and to formulate a clear vision that will create 1 million jobs.
Another promising sign is the country just keeps on attracting foreign investment. We spoke to an Indian-owned company that has invested $400 million to revitalize the chemical industries of Senegal, a company that was struggling a few years ago. And the result speaks for itself. The company today has a first-rate performance.
Today, all the conditions are there to invest in Senegal. The Senegalese authorities will absolutely honour all commitments made with investors.
Between 2012 and 2018, Senegal's growth increased from 4.4 to 6.8% per year. The country is aiming for emergence by 2035 and seems to be succeeding.